from home is only increasing, and not just, oh, I work from home. No, I work from home after work. I do a day's work and then I work when I get home. I still answer emails at 10 p.m. and I still, before I got to work, I've dealt with an email, I made a call, I've done some social media for my business, whatever. You work from home, not in a 9 to 5, everyone, but you work out of your office hours. And so the connections to your workplace, to your cloud-based storage, it might be Dropbox or Google Drive, you have to factor in that it would be irresponsible to design homes that don't allow prolonged work periods at home. So just making sure that a home office has got the necessary connections for printers, hard drives, fax, telephone if needed. Maybe the ability to put up a screen so that you could give presentations to people or carry out professional looking presentations from home if you were doing video calling.